Hey there everybody, welcome to this ProWorkflow training session. This time we're focusing on the Teams integration. Now the Teams integration is a very straightforward little tool. It allows you to reference projects and tasks from your ProWorkflow account in Teams when you're chatting with your colleagues and in group chats. And it allows very quick reference and access back into your tool and makes it much easier when discussing projects and tasks with your co-workers. So how do we actually do it? Over in Teams here is actually mainly where the integration happens. So we need to go to Teams, and then on the bottom left-hand side you see there's an Apps option. So from here, you just want to type in ProWorkflow up in the chat. Now, I have three options because two of them are test environments that were in the system as a part of my organization, but you'll just have the one option, and that will be this one here. So all very nice and straightforward. You see some screenshots and a quick description, but adding it in will give you a brief moment. And then we'll be prompted to log in, just like this. You see, I've already followed through the process, but just at the top here, you'll receive this chat option. So you just want to hit login. It'll bring you through to a brand new pop-up. And from there, you just need to enter in your username, password, and of course, API key or account URL. Now, after you have done that, you'll be presented with the following options from here. So you're logged in, and you see it prompts you to search for projects and tasks, and then of course, get them into your conversations. So right at the bottom of any chat that you have in ProWorkflow, you'll see you'll now have the option of the ProWorkflow cog just sitting in your toolbar here. So clicking that will show you all of your projects, all of your tasks, and all we'd need to do is just click on one of them and it'll bring up that task or project inside a card. So nice and easy. Now, if you have any further questions about how this integration works, or if you'd like some help setting it up, just send us a message through to subscriptions@proworkflow.com or support@proworkflow.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day.